Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps in dialer on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. Now at the end of the page, you will find the option of hide apps. Just tap on it, then tap on get started. From here, just select settings. Now from here, just create a 6-digit PIN for your privacy password. Then select use. Then enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. And from here, just link your privacy password to your account or to a recovery email or to a question in case if you forget your privacy password. For now, I will select recovery email. And in this section, just enter your recovery email. After you enter your email, then tap on confirm. Then tap on get started. And from here, just select access via dial pad. Then tap on settings. And from here, just set an access code. And the code must start and end with the hashtag, and it must contain at least one digit in between both of the hashtags. For an example, just enter hashtag, then enter code, and end with another hashtag. Then tap on done. Tap on done, and tap on add apps. And from here, just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to hide. For an example, I will select these apps. Now, after you do that, the selected apps will disappear from your home screen and from your app drawer. Now, to find the hidden apps, first of all, just open the dialer app, then enter your privacy code. And by doing that, you will find your hidden apps in your dialer app. Just like that. And this is how you can hide apps in dialer on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.